What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break, and now we are getting ready for our 5-box O-Pee-Chee Premier. I know it sounds weird, mixer. It is a $25 break, and it's a great lineup. We're live right now. You get a chance at a Carey Price rookie, which doesn't always happen. 944. Clay down to Dustin. Anaheim to Winnipeg, guys. Good luck. Here we go. 944 again. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3, 945. 945, last and final. Fourth and final timestamp, 945 and 945 it is. Minnesota, top of the list, and Vancouver, rounding us out at the halfway mark. Then we got Montreal down in Nashville. There's your teams. Let's do the names. 945. Clay down to Dustin. 1, 2, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 945. We're live in 15 minutes. 945. We're on our last and final random. Last and final random. Should be 946 on this one. It is, and it's 946. Ian finished on top of the list. Aaron at the halfway. And Orb down to Chad. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in less than 15 minutes now. Best of luck.